Hi, I'm John Aitken from Firespec. I'm an intumescent coatings specialist. Intumescent coatings have grown in popularity over the last 40 years to now account for the majority of all steel fire protection globally. This is because they're quick to apply, they leave an aesthetic finish, they work great with M&E services, and they're very competitive against other forms of fire protection. At Firespec, we estimate in excess of 20 million square metres of intumescent coatings a year, worldwide. Professionals consult with us for help with their specifications or to investigate coating failures, for example. Today though, I want to tell you about the independent inspection service that we're pioneering in order to save lives and eliminate the risk of your liability in the event of a fire. We've inspected many large projects. On almost every one, we've had to highlight major issues like low paint thickness, poor or improper application, even incorrect paperwork where the results could have been an unprotected structure if left unchecked. So we know the problems that you're dealing with. There are many quality intumescent contractors who are very experienced and really doing a good job. Sadly though, there are also a number of outfits who regularly leave an inadequately protected building. They're taking a large share of the market. Most of these are even third-party accredited, so you really need to be aware of this. So why should you care? Well, as you probably know, under CDM regulations, if you play any part in the designing of a fire protection package, or in procuring or managing its installation, then it's your ultimate responsibility to ensure that the fire protection is fit for purpose on your project. If there were to be a death in the event of a fire and the fire protection was found to be inadequate, then the Health and Safety Executive will look to find liability. Ultimately, this could end in you being charged or even jailed if you didn't make sure the job was done right. And for what? An unscrupulous subby. As a professional in the building industry, you have so many trades to deal with. You can't be expected to know if the quality's right for each and every package. The trouble is with intumescent coatings, it might look right because it's white, but so often the correct paint thickness hasn't been achieved, or other such application issues which need to be exposed. So why would you want to take this risk? Did you know that you don't have to? We're confident that employing an independent inspection authority proves beyond doubt that you took all reasonable steps to ensure that the fire protection was installed properly, thereby fulfilling your CDM obligations. So pass the responsibility of policing your intumescent applications to us at Firespec, who know exactly what to look for on every site. For more information, look us up at www.firespec.co.uk.